In this video, we'll show you how to download and install the UPrint drivers on your Mac computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to miami.edu/UPrint. From the UPrint page, click on the orange Download Drivers button in the bottom right corner of the page. Next, scroll down and select the driver by clicking on the link according to your class enrollment and system type. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to launch the installer. Next, double-click the pop-up.package file. Click Continue to proceed through the installer. Then click Install. When prompted, enter in your computer's username and password, then click Install Software. Once installation is complete, click the Close button, then move to Trash. To send a job to UPrint, ensure you are connected to the KNet wireless network, then open the Print menu. Select UPrint BW to print in black and white or UPrint Color to print to color. Click Print and wait for the pop-up. Enter your KN ID and password, give the print job a name, and then click Print. Your print job will now be sent to the UPrint server. Next, visit any UPrint printer on campus, swipe your KN card, and print your selected print jobs. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.